So this is the final outcome of a project. So this is finance hub. So a powered financial assistant. This is okay. So which is going to take control of our financial expenditures as well as we can set a budget limit, all those things. And to implement this project, we use a Python Flask framework. For backend, we use MySQL XAMPP. Okay, so these are the main features. So what are the secure OTP login, smart analytics, as well as document upload, budget planning, assistance, and export reports. So these are the main features. So first we are going to make a login. So we are going to make a create of the user first. Okay. So I'm going to make a register. Okay. So account created. So now we will check with login. So how we are going to providing securing me. So once we log in, so to mail ID, so what the mail created, so that particular mail ID we are going to get a like so choose my mail ID. So for this we are going to get a mails like OTP and all. Okay, so here in this we can see the OTP what we have received. For the OTP connection we use here SMTP connection. So you can see here SMTP. Okay, and the password OTP is 66059, and we are going to give OTP verify and login. Okay, so here the user dashboard. Okay, in this the user can first they can add a budget, so how much they want. So in this budget we are going to add budget of 10,000 budget and save budget. Okay, so the current budget is 10,000, and we can make add expenses. So for food I made it as like 1500 on the date and save add expense. Okay, so expenses added. So still we have a remaining balance of 8500. So now in case if you made exceed like on your total expense exceed the budget. Okay, and we can view the transactions what are done by the user, and we can view transaction. Okay, okay, and again we can set the budget. If you want means we can set the budget, and we can view the charts. So based on what are the expenditures what we did. Okay, so for entertainment 50 food for entertainment is 9000. Okay, we can see graphical representation, and we can upload a documents also. Okay, so I'm going to upload UPI and upload document. Okay, so see, so here we can see the transactions what we have done. Okay, and again if you click on dashboard, so total expenses 10,500 means it's exceeded. We already got a notification of, so it's exceeded the budget. So we can ask normal questions like what is budget. So your monthly budget is 10,000. What is expenses? You have spent 10,000 so far. So if you give anything, okay. So we have budget. What would you like to know? So just you can ask the normal questions based on the data set. So based on the database what you have stored, so based on that it's going to give assistance. Okay. Okay. So it won't give that much. So formally we added this. So if you, after that log out. So if you want to make login again, okay. So again I'm going to give my mail ID, password. So again it will send OTP to the user mail ID. So you can check here again. See, so for each and every day it is going to send OTP before login, user login. Okay, so again if we give that OTP only, it will. If I change the OTP, for suppose if I change to this, it won't. Okay, so this is the final outcome of a project. So to implement this, we use the Python Flask framework.